Hello YouTube, now I'm back with my Epic Glass City episode 2. Sorry it took me so long to upload this, but I was on vacation for 2.5 weeks, so I couldn't record and upload it then. But now I'm back. Let's go up the ladder and have a look at the Glass City. At the end it wasn't so big as I expected it to be, because when I have built something up, when I built the the Glass City, if you can call that the what's it called? You know what I mean. This then almost everybody stopped playing on the server, so there aren't more than 6 houses things, but yeah, let's try anyway. First we'll start with Freimonsters random house. Don't know how to say that in English. Let's see. Got the floor, I can see through. Yeah. Let's see. Got some nether brick, some normal tree, some bricks, and some cobblestone. As you can see, this house isn't done, but he stopped playing on the server, so he says to me it's done, but I don't think it's done. Let's move on. Here you got my house. It's a nether brick and leaves house. I haven't made a roof yet, because I'm not that good at making that, but I still think it's beautiful anyway. My epic floor. And here where you got a very good view, you can see someone has built something over there. Let's move on to the next house. Over here we got the shop. We built this because we got bored, to be honest. But even though we tried to get customers, we never got any, because yeah, I don't know, but we never got any customers. We even tried to promise them one stack of diamond blocks if they came over here and bought something, but still nobody teleported to me. So I don't know what's wrong, but that's their problem, not mine. Let's move on. Here we got a spring. One of my friends built it. I think it's because he built it because we got a spring down there and he wanted one up here too. I don't know, is the right word spring for it, or no spring? Yeah, I think it's the word for it. I don't know, but you know what it is if I'm saying something wrong. Sorry for my English, I'm not that good at it. Let's move on. This is Sharpen's random wool house. That looks good. You can see we got plenty of wool in all kind of colors. Got red, black, green, blue and orange. It's a epic house, but I don't think it's not as good to use, but it's beautiful to look at, because you can't get around that easy. But still, it's good to look at. I think it's beautiful. Okay, let's move on. This is my tree and kind of a church house. I don't know what it is, to be honest, because first I want to build a tree house, as you can see. Then I want to build a tower on, and then it looked like a church. So I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful anyway. Let's move on. Got some windows, a good view. You can see the sunset, I think it is, over there, and there you can see some trees and a building. Very exciting. Let's go up on top, and still no roof. I'm not good at building that, so I just don't. But if any got some ideas for how I should build the roof, sorry I'm not that good at saying that word, roof, on this building and that building over there, then please write it in the comments below. And that is almost, no, we still misses the tower. Let's see the tower now. If you don't think that the buildings I have built, that one and that one isn't that beautiful, especially that one, then it's because I used another texture pack when I built it, so it looks cooler with that. Let's move on to the lighthouse. Got some pumpkins, scary pumpkins, lighting up, and some water. The water is just to make it look nice. I don't know why I built it with water, but I think it looks nice with some water in the middle. Oh. Let's see. Here you got the lighthouse top. Very beautiful view. From the beginning I would have built this all by, oh, what do you call this? Oh, you know what I mean, these, yeah, I can't remember their name right now. But then I went out of it and I didn't have enough money to buy it at the shop. So instead I just made a lot of pumpkins with lights in. It's maybe not so beautiful, but it still works, I think. It still lights up, so it worked for me. Ow, that hurt. See, now you can use the water to something. You can get down quick. Maybe up us. Maybe us. But let's see. Oh, not die, not die, not die. So, just gonna eat some melon. And that was the glass city. As you can see, I still got some plots that's not been built on. I don't think it's gonna be built on them because everybody has stopped playing on this server, including myself. So this was the episode 2. Oh yeah, we still got the public toilet. Just gotta put it up. It's a very clever toilet. If you don't hit the water, you will die. So you better hit the water. I have tried to die sometimes when I don't have hit it, and it's not so good. Let's just say that. But this was the Glass City. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.